Hi, Annette Rege here with Moji Yogi. If you're new to meditation and it's hard for you to sit still, I recommend trying a moving meditation first. So go ahead and find a comfortable space, whether indoors or outdoors, and just sit comfortably crisscross. Now I'm doing a half lotus pose with one foot up on the other. Now let's begin with a ground zero by putting your hands together like this. And we say Namaste, which means the light in me honors the light in you. Now you make a circle with your hands representing all of our lights. Now move your hands out in front. You're going to breathe in the victorious breath through the nose, arms up. Touch your hands at the top. Honor the love and the light in your mind. Touch your forehead, your body, your shoulder. Now breathing out the nose. I'll count back from 8. You breathe out the nose. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Stomach in and up. Activate the root. 3, 2, 1. Rise up. Breathe in the nose. Exhale. Breathe out the nose. And give gratitude for the practice. Rise up and say Namaste. So try that each and every day for 66 days so you can build a superpower habit of redirecting your mind, body, and spirit. Namaste.